Snuggle buddy. Oh, oh. Hi, say hi everybody. This is my bonding moment with Wasabi. Say hi. His eye is just like.
Now he's just gonna freeze.
He's like, I got toddler tunes, I got a snuggle buddy.
He found a nest.
I ate some jackfruit pit. Oh. I wonder if he can like actually just see himself on there if he thinks he's another birdie. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, I haven't heard him say any actual words yet.
Yeah, you have. He
Did
said
I?
hello
Yeah.
many times today.
He said hello. Can you say hello, Wasabi? Hello. Hello.
He's like, I'm not your monkey.
Can you say bye? Say bye. Hi, snuggle buddy. Now you can't even decipher what it is.
What's
like,
he doing?
I don't know. He's all up in my neck. It tickles. It tickles so much. Oh my god.
Yeah, you can't tell what it is.
If you came in on the video right there, yeah, you wouldn't be able to tell. Now you can tell. Oh, he's getting real snuggly. He's getting super snuggled. Look at that, y'all. Alright, say goodnight, Wasabi. Good night.